International Society for Krishna Consciousness or ISKCON propagates Yuga Dharma of chanting of Mahamantra Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, introduced by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at Mayapur near Kolkata 500 years ago. Furthering this cause, Srila Prabhupada established ISKCON in 1966 in New York, USA. A group of devotees led by His Grace Namanishta Das came to Mangalore to propagate the message of Srila Prabhupada. Mangalore being temple city, people are pious and God-fearing, have welcomed Krishna consciousness wholeheartedly. ISKCON Mangalore established worship of Sri Sri Radha Govind at Nantur. Since then, this temple has been the epicenter of spiritual activities in and around Mangalore. The center itself follows a strict routine of pujas and offerings to the deities, their lordship Sri Sri Radha Govind. Mangalore being an educational hub, youth from all over India throng this city, which opens a vast opportunity to educate them in ancient spiritual knowledge and inculcate in them Vedic values. Devotees from ISKCON Mangalore are traveling all the colleges and the students are very much appreciative and are vastly benefited. ISKCON Radha Govind Temple Mangalore is organizing many youth festivals and spiritual pilgrimages. Thousands of Bhagavad Gita and other Vedic literatures are being distributed among the youth community. Radha Govind Temple has been organizing public festivals like Janmashtami, Gaura Purnima, Ramanavami, Narasimha Jayanti in large scale where thousands of people participate and get benefited spiritually. Our beloved spiritual master Srila Prabhupada have left us with wonderful treasure in the form of his books. His books have transformed the life of millions of people around the world. These books are available in all languages of the world, and ISKCON today is the world's largest publisher of Vedic books. ISKCON Mangalore has been distributing these books to the public of Mangalore via door-to-door campaigns, stalls in temple festivals, and through Sankirtan van. Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam classes are being telecasted in local TV channels and are also available on YouTube. ISKCON Radha Govind Temple Mangalore welcomes you all to come and participate in various spiritual activities and be benefited. You are also invited to come and taste the spiritual atmosphere and interact with the devotees by staying in the temple premises for few days. Hare Krishna. To receive daily classes right on your mobile, please WhatsApp to 8383855114. You can also join video conference on weekends by contacting the above number. Our website www.iskonmangaluru.com. Hare Krishna.